Friends, today we are going to learn how to scan the document from CamScanner. And this is the icon of CamScanner. You can download from Play Stores. Once it's open, you can see the camera button here and click on camera. Now you can scan any documents like this and click on camera button. You can see scanned completed, and you can use multiple options, adjustment, and click on right arrow. Document has been scanned. Now you can use multiple options and click on tag. Scanning has been complete. You can rename the document as you want. This is news. OK, and share in a PDF form. We can share it through WhatsApp as PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, SoftTrack.